Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short sound demonstration video. Now it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful, huge 22-inch by 18-inch buffalo skin shamanic drum. It's our birth here at the Hollow, and inside the frame, which is an ashwood frame by the way, I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I just continue to turn it around here. I put in there ashwood and buffalo skin, and you've also got that, always got the reference point of what it is, the materials that we used. And also I put in birthed on the 15th of November 2022 in Knighton, Paris, UK, and that's to allow you to formulate a birth chart, look at the astrological aspects of the drum, the energies that were around on the day when the drum was birthed. If that's your thing, then that's an interesting little bit. That's all the information hopefully you should need to be able to put that together. On the back, lovely beautiful branch handle. I'm not sure of the actual species of wood that this branch came from, unfortunately. I foraged so many, but it is rather gorgeous, and it's nice and smooth and comfortable. This is quite a big drum, obviously. It's got quite a thick skin on it, so it's not a lightweight drum. So you need to bear that in mind, I suppose, when you're considering if this is a good drum for you, the weight of holding it for a long period, etc. So yeah, so that needs to be considered. But the purpose of the video really is to listen to the sound. So let's have a little play. I'm going to start with a softer beater. I'm going to change halfway through and use a firmer beater, give a slightly different sound, and you should be able to then discern the difference and decide if one of those might be suitable for you to purchase alongside the drum, if it turns out that this is the one for you. So here we go. Huge, big, deep boom sound. Gorgeous. Hope the microphone is able to pick that up okay and doesn't distort. Here is the firmer beater, which should be a little bit brighter. Gorgeous. Well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum online. It's always very difficult, so that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.